In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a bookmark in Foxit PDF Reader. So to do this, actually you're going to have to use the combination of the Foxit PDF Reader and Foxit PDF Editor, okay? Because it's not fully available inside the PDF Reader yet. So you want to go to your PDF document, and then over here on the left, you can see these bookmarks. And when you click on it here, you'll be able to basically create bookmarks instantly with AI. So you can click on that, and it's basically going to basically AI generate these bookmarks. So we can do that if you want to add them by clicking overwrite over here, or add to end in case you have any existing ones already. And then if you want to add a bookmark, if you go to select up here to be able to select text, and for example if I select this, and then here it's going to automatically pop up this window where I can click on bookmark. However, it's going to tell me that I have to do this using the Foxit PDF editor. So if you don't have it, you can of course get it onto your computer, and then you'll be able to of course go ahead and open Foxit PDF editor, because if you do continue to Foxit PDF Reader, you can't actually do this. So of course, as I said, that's pretty much how we do it. So I'm going to show you how. You want to open up, click here bookmark, click on open Foxit PDF editor. If you have it on your computer, it's going to allow you to do that. And then you can just click on your file over here, and there we go. If I now come over here, go to the select tab up top, I can now hover over, click on bookmark over here, and there we go. It's going to basically create a bookmark. And if I type in, for example, balance over here, it's going to basically bookmark that part, and I can click on it, and it's going to direct me directly over there. Okay, so we can add these by clicking this plus button where it says new bookmark, and then just keep on adding different bookmarks in here. But unfortunately, as I said, that's only possible inside the Foxit PDF editor. So make sure you get that if you actually want to add bookmarks, because you can't actually do it inside the Foxit Reader. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.